everyone. Welcome to another edition of Comcast Newsmakers. I'm Barbara Rogers. With me in the studio now is David DeLue. He is the founder and the publisher of the Chamberlink. And the Chamberlink, I must say, sounds something like it might have something to do with Chamber of Commerce.
Yes, exactly. And thank you for having me. So the Chamberlink is a website that is a one-stop source where anyone can go to find Chamber of Commerce mixers and events county-wide. So if you go to thechamberlink.com, you'd select Alameda County, for example, or Contra Costa County, or for that matter, the North Bay counties. And you will see on one calendar every Chamber of Commerce mixer that's on the calendar for that month, whether it's Walnut Creek, Danville, San Ramon, it's all there. Plus any of the special events that the chambers like to promote. Each chamber loves to do a trade fair from now and then. And we're always promoting their special events like their trade fairs and their business expos and things like that.
Now, how long ago did you start this?
We started it just a little over 2 years ago. I had been a member of 6 chambers of commerce in my business at the time. And it turned out I created a phenomenon that every time I go to mixers, people say, I love the Chamberlink, I love your calendar, I love your email. And so I basically retired from my previous business and decided to bet the farm and pursuing building the Chamberlink full time.
Well, how has it gone so far?
So far, so good. Literally every Chamber of Commerce in Contra Costa County is a sponsor of the Chamberlink. And in Alameda County, we have almost every Chamber of Commerce.
How many are we talking?
We're in Contra Costa County, we're talking 23, and in Alameda, we're talking 14. And we also launched the Chamberlink of the North Bay, Marin, Napa, Sonoma, and Solano. And there's already 21 chambers there who are sponsors of the Chamberlink.
Now, why do these different chambers of commerce decide to become a part of the Chamberlink?
Well, the idea is cross-pollination. In other words, if a member of the Emeryville Chamber decides, I'm going to the Oakland Mixer, and they saw that on the Chamberlink. Now they go to the Oakland Chamber Mixer, and they like the experience there, and they decide, wow, I should become an active member of the Oakland Chamber of Commerce as well. Well, all of a sudden, that chamber has a new member. And we call that cross-pollinating, and I think it's something that makes a lot of sense today.
Since each of these chambers of commerce is interested in promoting their own area and businesses for their own area, isn't there a lot of competition going on when they're all kind of coming together like that?
Well, occasionally one chamber will have an expo on their calendar and the other chamber sees they've got their expo on that calendar too. But in reality, if they're using the Chamberlink as a resource, as they're planning their expos, they can look at it and go, oh, I see 2 chambers have expos that day. I'm not going to do my expo on that day.
Yeah, so it really does help them with their planning and with, I would imagine they get some ideas from each other.
I would imagine so. A lot of the chamber people tell me that they use the Chamberlink kind of as a homepage for them.
Now, you also want to appeal to businesses.
I absolutely do. The Chambers of Commerce do not pay us for our service, so we need business sponsors in order to keep going. And a business sponsor gets to be a part of our weekly email. Every week we send out news from the Chamberlink to 9,000 chamber members in Contra Costa, 9,000 chamber members in Alameda, 7,000 chamber members in the North Bay. And it's just the best quality list that money can buy. So if a business is a sponsor of the Chamberlink, and if they're serious about business-to-business marketing, they should become a sponsor.
What about nonprofits? Is there any way that they can be involved? Because there are a lot of nonprofits who would like to appeal to some of these businesses as sponsors and supporters.
Absolutely. Thank you. We have very, very, very special rates for our nonprofit business sponsors. For very little money, a nonprofit can promote their events and can promote their fundraising through the Chamberlink.
So if someone wants to get in touch with you?
925-817-7808.
And the website, I imagine, is?
www.thechamberlink.com.
Okay. Thank you so much, David, for coming and telling us about the Chamberlink.
Thank you so much.
And thank you for joining us for another edition of Comcast Newsmakers. I hope you'll be with us again next time. Bye-bye for now.